If you want to generate policy pages for your Shopify store, then here's what you're going to do. First, you're going to go to settings from the left side panel at the bottom. And then from here, you're going to click on policies. If you scroll down, you will see it right here. Now, once you click on policies, you will find sections for refund policy, privacy policy, terms of service, and shipping policy, all of right here. You can also access contact information from here. Now, from here, you're just going to click on create template. So in order for you to manage or you find that, you're going to click on any of these that you want to set. So for example, we want to set the terms of service. So after that, we're going to click on insert template. So they already have a template available right here, but you can also create your own if you want. But for this one, we can just simply click on insert template, and then that way it will auto generate Shopify sample policies. Now you're just going to have to edit the text to match your brand rules, especially shipping times, return conditions, and contact details. Now after saving, Shopify will automatically link these pages in your checkout footer. All you have to do is to click on publish once you have already altered all of these information. And that's it. That is how you're going to generate policy pages for Shopify store. I recently created a 1-hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I will see you there.